What is up, YouTube? How y'all doing today? Rob the Craft here, and today I bring you guys a tutorial on how to build a mob grinder. Now, this is, well, it really is, I don't know. It's like a mob spawner grinder, whatever. So, yep, so I'll just teach you guys how to build it. I will fast forward through some parts, just because it's too long and I don't want to have you guys be bored while watching me build. So, yeah, I might just fast forward through this. And what you're gonna need some cobblestone or any other block that you might have a lot of. Cobblestone's you mostly have a lot of. You're gonna need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You're gonna need 8 buckets of water, and you're gonna need, if you want to, you could use slabs too. So let's get started. What you're gonna do is make a line of 4 right there. Make a line of 3 and another line of 3. Then what you're going to want to do, just for look, I'll just do like that. Okay. So I like using slabs so the mobs can't get out. So then what you're going to want to do is go up 23 more, because I think it's like 24 mobs spawn away from you in the dark. So yeah, I'm going to be fast forwarding it right now.
Drop them, drop them.
Okay guys, so I just decided to make it 23 because I think 24 mobs die. Okay, so yeah. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm just going to remove these, just so you can go from all angles and kill them. Yeah, so now what you're going to want to do is go on each side. You're going to go out 8, 7, or I think it's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then what you're going to want to do is like make a little barrier right here. Sorry if you guys can hear my keyboard. Not really like that. And then what you're going to do is drag it all like that. Drag it all the way down until it meets that corner. Do the same with the other side. Then what you're going to do is bring both your buckets like right there. So it's 7. So that way when mobs spawn, they walk onto the water, they get washed down right here, they go down, and they get trapped. So yep, do that for all sides, and I will see you guys in about 40 seconds. 30.
Drop them, bitch.
Just like that, guys. So it's gonna look like that. Then what you're gonna want to do is what you could do. What I'm actually gonna do slash split 0. There we go. Go there. There we go. Not liking that much. Okay, so gonna look like that. Then what you want to do is make a giant square out of this huge X, like that. This is going to be the platform where the mobs are going to spawn. So yeah, mobs are going to spawn on this platform that I'm going to make. They're going to go inside the water. They're going to fall down. They'll probably be like harder, about half a heart, roughly, I think. Not too sure, but I've built many of these. I've went on 24, but I forgot what they were. Forgot if they died or not. So yep, guys, I'm gonna fast forward and fill all these in, and I'll be right back. There we go, guys. It's done filling the platform up. So this is what it should look like now. Now if you want to, I'm not going to do it, but if you want to, you can go a step further and put this 2 blocks up. So you can put, if you like, anything breaks. I mean, not if anything breaks, but you could just like make this 2 up. Put, what are they called? What do they call it? I totally forgot. I don't even use them, so that's why I don't know what they're called. To be quite honest, I don't know. What did I don't know, but they're like secret door entrances or whatever you want to call them. You put that up there, so like if you want to like do something different with your mob grinder, spawn, or whatever you want to call it, you could just use like flip it up or flip it down, and you can jump on and go on top of this. So yeah. Okay, next part you're going to want to do is build the walls. You're going to make it 3 up. So yeah, I'll be right back, guys. I'm going to fast forward. There we go, guys. So next you want to do is build the roof. And it's just going to be a flat roof. So what you're going to want to do is so guys, so this is like the final product of it. Now it doesn't seem dark just because my gamma is like up by like a lot, because when I play factions and or survival by myself, I don't like the dark. I don't like using torches and stuff like that. So yeah, so let's go. Time set 14000. Is it nighttime? Yes, it is. What am I think I'm playing on peaceful. Yeah, you can see bats are spawning. Now, let's go down here. I just like doing this for design, because on this texture pack, cobblestone looks great. I love the look of cobblestone. So yes, so let's go into hard. Now let's see what's going on here. Now, you have to trust me, mobs do spawn. It's just the simple fact that I don't know. I'm wondering why they're not spawning up here. Wow. I'm kinda surprised. But yep, so this is how you make a mob grinder spawner, or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, so I want to thank you guys for watching my tutorial on how to build this. I hope it helped you guys out if you didn't know already. Leave a like if you enjoyed. Comment down below and tell me what you thought. Also, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any awesome Minecraft content that I bring out. So, adios guys. Peace.